Now I would like to request Dr. Khalid Naseem, Administrator, Hamdard Public and Village School, to kindly present the vote of thanks.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent and the Merciful. We are meeting today in person after the challenging period of the COVID-19 pandemic, which compelled us to rely solely on virtual interaction for nearly 5 years. During this time, all conferences and meetings were conducted online with participants joining us from different locations through the Zoom communication platform. In 2025, the representatives of the World Health Organization joined us in this conference. While the hybrid mode allowed continuity in our activities, it also limited the personal interaction, collaboration, and engagement that in-person meetings naturally provide. Therefore, it is both a significant and welcome transition to once again gather physically, reconnect, and engage directly with one another. This conference marks not only a return to semi-normalcy, but also an opportunity to strengthen professional relationships, enhance communication, and move forward with renewed energy and shared purpose. Due to the ongoing events, some youth delegates delivered their speeches online, as it was not possible for them to be physically present here. In the morning session, today's proceedings started with the recitation of verses from Surah Al-Rahman by Qari Hamid Mahmood. This was followed by the opening remarks of Mrs. Sadia Rashid, the President of Hamdard Foundation, Pakistan. I, on behalf of Hamdard Foundation, Pakistan, and Hamdard Public and Village Schools, would like to thank her for her thought-provoking remarks on this year's topic. In the second session, we heard Ms. Fatima Munir Ahmed, the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Hamdard Laboratories, Waqf, Pakistan. She shared her views on the topic. Thank you, Madam, for your remarks. Thereafter, we heard online Dr. Lu Dapeng, the World Health Organization's representative in Pakistan. He also conveyed the message of Dr. Hanan Balki, the first female regional director of the World Health Organization's Eastern Mediterranean region. To them, a very big thank you for your messages. The Pakistani and foreign delegates impressed us with their speeches on this year's topic. The Pakistani participants from Lahore, Peshawar, Quetta, Rawalpindi, Islamabad, and Karachi represented Sacred Heart Convent School, LDA Model Girls High School, Warsaw Model School, Frontier Model School, SOS Children Village School, St. Joseph's Convent School, Parkland Public School, City Education School System, City School, Baitul Bakaram Campus, Mama Parsi School, Habib Girls School, the Ida Rio School for Blind and Deaf, along with Hamdard Public School and Hamdard Village School. The foreign delegates were from Malaysia, India, and Canada. Thank you very much for participating by ignoring the clock time in your respective countries with a view to making this conference successful. To these schools' management, please accept our thanks for nominating your speakers who all spoke well on the topic. Today's chief guest, Professor Dr. Ataur Rahman, whose advice to the students in the morning not to run away from challenges is something really noteworthy. Just now we heard the president of the conference, Dr. Mukhtiar Hussain Bhayo, head of sub-office, World Health Organization sub-office in Sindh, who spoke on the topic. Sir, thank you for your inspiring words, we are grateful to you. We also have to thank the heads of Hamdard zonal offices at Rawalpindi, Lahore, Peshawar, Quetta, who as usual helped us greatly in successfully arranging this conference. Thanks also are due to the advisor to the President's Schools, Hamdard Foundation, Pakistan, Mrs. Samira Javed, and Sayyid Muhammad Arsalan, Director, Programs and CSR, Hamdard Foundation and his team from Hamdard Foundation Pakistan for helping us greatly in organizing this program successfully. From the school, the senior headmistress, Mrs. Myra Ambrose, the headmistress, middle section, Mrs. Nabila Mahin, the headmistress of the primary section, Mrs. Faria Raza, along with the headmaster of Hamdard Village School, Mr. Salim Jatoi, deserve thanks for their cooperation and guidance. Then Mrs. Sadia Irfan, sitting right there, and Mrs. Anis Raza for coordinating so well with Dr. Sana Gauri of the head office in presenting this program. There are other guests, all visible in this hall, namely Dr. Hakim Abdul Hannan, Brigadier Riaz Saab, Dr. Ali Bukhari, Dr. Buland Iqbal, who's conducted the first session so well, To these distinguished personalities and guests, thank you, sir. Thank you very much for coming here. Finally, there's that gentleman, the young gentleman who forgot, Faizan Aslam Sufi. Finally, I would like to thank you, for giving such a wonderful speech, to the students, I'm sure they will learn a lot from your experience. Finally, Musfira Miraj of Hamdard Village School for acting as today's second session moderator of the event. With the passage of time, I'm sure this young lady will move forward in a big way. In the end, before handing over the microphone to Musfira, I would like to thank, on behalf of Hamdard Foundation Pakistan and Hamdard Public and Village Schools, the distinguished guests and students for their presence in today's conference. Thank you. Musfira, over to you. Come here.
Thank you very much, sir.